You got a pair of AirPods 4, you really love them, but you keep having the same issue. They keep falling out of your ears. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the perfect solution for that. Now, you've probably already seen some of the solutions out there, which are over-the-ear hooks or in-ear hooks. Some of them are good, but some of them are not perfect yet. They don't accommodate for most unique ear shapes and sizes. In today's video, I'm going to show you our WC HookZ V2, which have a very special feature in them, which we added, which we didn't have in the first version. And I'm very excited to show you because I think that's going to solve most of the issues out there. So let me move you to the top of the table and I'll show you what's so different about the WC HookZ V2. Okay, so let's start. Here you see the WC HookZ V2. The design that you see is the emerald tide. This is my favorite design. You also have these in white if you want a more clean look. And let me show you the differences between the V1 and the V2. So the number one complaint that we used to get is that the hook is either too big or too small on your ears. Everybody has unique different shapes and sizes of ears, so it's very hard to cater to everyone. So we thought the only way to actually fix this is to make them adjustable. Another issue was that some people felt, because of their unique shape of their ear, that it's actually pushing out the AirPods out of your ear. So we thought the only way to solve it, again, is to make it adjustable. So how do we make it adjustable? Inside the hook right here, you have a copper wire. Copper wires allow to be stretched out and come back to their position. So now, let's say that the hook feels a little too big. If it feels a little too big, you're simply going to make it smaller, like this. If it feels too small, you're simply going to make it larger. If it feels too loose, you can tighten it up like this. And you have much more room to adjust this. Once you get the first adjustment in, you don't have to do it again. If it loses shape, you can always bring it back. So whenever you put them on your ears, the way you see in the video right now, you're simply gonna tighten them and then you're gonna have the perfect fit. So let me show you how to use them. So this is the left side. It's very important that you use the correct side on your correct AirPods. The reason is, if you notice, the stem of the hooks comes out at an angle. It's not straight. This is why you want to use the proper side on your proper AirPod. So this is the left AirPod. And the way you align it is on the AirPod, you have the button that is for the calls and for pausing the audio or playing the audio. On the hook, you have a cutout and you want to just slide out the AirPod into the cutout so you can expose the button and still make it usable. And you also want to slide them in all the way. The reason why you want to slide it all the way is because the microphones on the AirPods 4 are on the bottom and you don't want to block it with the hook. So now you can freely use the button and you can use the microphones whenever you do calls. So once you've done it, again, like the video you see here, you're just going to put it on your ear, adjust it, and you are good to go. And these are the WC HookZ V2 for AirPods 4. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.